Gold, silver, two metals that have passed the tests of time. For thousands of years, they were held key to our. Whew. Sorry about that, guys. Whew. This stack's on the rise. For thousands of years, they were held key to our monetary systems. With the recent jumps in price over the summer, gold reaching all-time nominal highs and silver's multi-year high, the eyes of investors have opened wider in the direction of gold and silver. With a flood of new investors and new stackers eager to join this community, many people are asking where and what the possible entry points are. So I put together a list of ways to get in. The first would be the paper options. With the ease of trading platforms such as webull or robinhood, I'll leave links in the description. You can gain direct entry through exchange traded funds or ETFs. GLD or SLV are just a couple. You can also buy open traded mining companies or junior mining companies. These leveraged stocks offer high reward potential, but they also come with risk. Keep in mind, these are paper derivatives of gold and silver and not direct exposure to gold itself in the physical form or silver. I prefer to take possession of the asset myself. Next on my list would be the online bullion dealers or websites. SDBullion.com, JMBullion.com, AppMax.com, SilverGoldBull.com, and ProvidentMetals.com are just to name a few. I have no affiliation with these guys. I've never worked for them, but I've used them in the past and I thought they were great. I always go with accredited online dealers. I stay clear of eBay, Craigslist, or social media platform based marketplaces unless I specifically know people are legit. I mean, you might be looking for a deal, but other people might be looking to scam you. And these days, it seems to happen a lot. If the deal seems too good to be true, then it probably is. What I like to do is shop around on the websites looking for the best deals or sales. Many of the sites offer free insured shipping for orders over $100. From my experience, it's been pretty convenient, fast, and most of all, most importantly, very discreet. Just keep in mind there's extra fees if you're using credit cards or PayPal. Also, different state taxes might apply. As a tip, I would download a spot price app to your phone. I personally use a Kitco app and a JM Bullion app I got off Google Play. I watch daily for price drops and increases, which help me determine if I'm buying or selling or what I'm doing in general. Thirdly, last but certainly not least, would be your local coin shop or LCS. If you have one, this is probably your best option. Watching for price drops and paying cash for your metals in person is, in my opinion, the best way to keep your dollar cost average down while accumulating gold and silver. So a trip to your local coin shop to purchase your bullion is the most cost-effective way to gain access. The downside would be that your local coin shop may not have the diverse variety that your typical online dealer would have. I'm a long-term stacker, so I'm not looking at gold and silver as much of a speculative investment, but as more of a long-term savings account. My goal is to convert my dollars into metals at the best possible exchange rate. That means keeping costs down, low premiums, less tax, no extra fees, or at least as minimal as possible. Many people don't consider gold or silver as a wise investment. But with the gold price being reset in 1933 to $35 an ounce, then reaching new nominal highs in 2020, over $2,000, it's easy to imagine that the price will continue to increase with time. Silver, to me, is more of a volatile market. However, it has its advantages and it definitely keeps its value relative to inflation. I'm no financial advisor, so do your due diligence. But in my opinion, if you don't have exposure to gold or silver, you should definitely look into it. With silver being incredibly undervalued relative to gold and having a lower price point in the mid $20 to $25 range at the moment, it's definitely easy to gain exposure to precious metals that way. So a couple ounces here or a couple ounces there isn't much strain on your wallet. But hey, don't listen to me. I'm just some guy on YouTube. If I missed anything or if anyone knows anything a little bit more they can add, please comment so the information can get out there. If you like this video, please tap the thumbs up and please subscribe. This is Stacks on the Rise, signing out.